Classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols and phenols are classified into two types. First one, depending upon the number of OH groups present. Okay, depending on number of OH group present. Okay. Second classification, depending upon the nature of the carbon atom attached to the OH group. Okay. So now let us discuss the first classification, depending upon the number of OH groups present. First one, if one OH group is present in the alcohol, they are called as monohydric. Okay. Example, CH3, CH2, OH. Okay. Second one, dihydric. If the alcohol contains two OH groups, if the compound contains two OH groups, such compounds are called as dihydric. Example, CH2OH, CH2OH. Is ethylene glycol. Okay. Next, third one, trihydric. If three OH groups are present in the alcohol. Example, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is glycerol. Okay. Next classification. If more than 3 OH groups are present in the compound, they are called as polyhydric. Okay. This is in the case of alcohols. Next, what will happen in the case of phenols? Next is phenols. Similarly, in the case of phenols also, if one OH group is present, it is called as in the aromatic ring. If one OH group is present, it is phenol. If two OH groups are present, they are called as dihydric. Okay. If three OH groups are present, they are trihydric, etc. Okay, these are some of the examples of phenols. Okay. Now, if more than one OH group is attached to the same carbon atom, such compounds are unstable. So, what will happen? Let's take this. If two OH groups are attached to the same carbon atom, so in such a case, what will happen? H2O will be removed. So, the product will be a ketone. Okay. Similarly, if 3 OH groups are attached, again H2O will be removed. So, it will get converted into an acid. Okay. So, first classification. Next, second classification, depending upon the hybridization of the or the nature of the carbon atom attached to the OH group. Second one, depending upon the nature of the carbon atom attached to the OH group. Again, this is of two types. Either this carbon atom may be sp3 hybridized, or next second classification, this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Okay. First, let us discuss sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to the OH group or sp3COH bond. Such case, they are this first classification, they are divided into three. First one, they are primary, then secondary and tertiary. Okay. Example for primary, CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol is an example for primary. Okay, if this one H is replaced by CH3, it will get converted into secondary. Okay, example CH3, C, CH3, CHOH. Okay, this is an example. This compound is isopropyl alcohol. Okay, if this hydrogen is also replaced by an alkyl group, it will get converted into tertiary. Okay, CH3, C, CH3, CH3OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the first classification. Now, next classification. If the carbon atom is sp3, it is sp3COH bond, and the carbon atom next to this carbon atom is a double bond. Such cases, such compounds are called as allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols. Okay. Carbon atom next to the carbon containing the OH group is containing a double bond. Okay. Carbon atom next to the carbon containing double bond. Carbon containing OH is a double bond. Such compounds are called as allylic alcohols. Example, CH2 double bond CH2, CH2OH. This is an allylic alcohol. Okay. This may be primary, secondary or tertiary. If one hydrogen is replaced by an alkyl group, it is secondary. If two hydrogen atoms are replaced, it will get converted into tertiary. Okay. So this is about the allylic alcohols. Next classification is benzylic alcohols. If the carbon atom next to the carbon containing OH is an aromatic ring. Okay. Carbon atom next to the carbon containing OH is the part of a aromatic ring. Okay. Carbon atom next to the carbon containing OH is part of an aromatic ring. So, the carbon atom will be sp3 hybridized, next carbon will be sp2 hybridized. Okay. For example, such compounds are called as benzylic alcohols. Okay. Take one example. CH2OH, benzyl alcohol, or the compound name is phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. Okay. Another example, CHOH, CH3. Another example, this is 1-phenyl ethane 1-ol. 1-phenyl, first position 1-phenyl group, then ethane, this is an ethane compound 1-ol. This is the name of the compound. Okay. Next, this is the first classification depending upon the nature of carbon atom. Next, if the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, that is second classification. If the compound contains sp2COH bond, the carbon atom next to the OH is sp2 hybridized. Okay, this carbon may be either vinyl carbon or aryl carbon. Okay. If it is an aromatic ring next to this carbon atom, it is aryl compound, and if it is an alkyl group, it is vinyl compound. Let us take few examples. Vinyl alcohol, example. Vinyl alcohol. Example, CH2 double bond CHOH. This is vinyl alcohol. Okay, here the carbon atom, this is sp2 hybridized. Okay, it contains a double bond. Okay, next aryl carbon, that those compounds are called as phenols. Example, phenol. Let's take phenol. Okay, the carbon atom next to the OH is sp2 hybridized. Okay, these compounds are called as phenols. Okay, another example, 2-methyl phenol. If one CH3 is attached next to the OH, this 2-methyl phenol. Okay, so sp2COH bonding in such cases. Okay, these are the main two classification of alcohols and phenols. Okay, next, ethers. Ethers are compounds having the structure ROR. Okay, there are two alkyl groups are attached to the two sides of an oxygen atom. This may be either these two alkyl atoms are same, or this may be different. If both the alkyl groups are same, they are called as symmetrical ethers. Symmetrical ethers, or they are called as simple ethers. Okay, take one example, CH3O CH3, dimethyl ether is called as dimethyl ether. Okay, if this is the first classification. Next, second one, if both the alkyl groups are different. Example, C2H5OCH3. Okay, this is ethyl methyl ether. Okay, these compounds are under the classification unsymmetrical ethers. These are unsymmetrical ethers or mixed ethers. Okay, these are the two classification of ethers. So much about the classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers.